Hey, how you doing? Austin here. So I apologize in advance for the sunglasses, but I am in Cabo San Lucas down here for a friend's, lifelong friend's daughter's wedding, and I'm at a hotel here, and I've literally had to move like 4 times to find places to record because it's kind of crazy. So I'm trying to get this done for you, and the sun's right here, got good lighting, but I can't see if I don't have my sunglasses on. So there you go. You get Austin with sunglasses. All right. So here's what I want to talk to you about. Oh, by the way, before I get into the content about this really interesting crypto, it could top 20 bucks. I want to remind you that if you're interested in Clear, links are in the description below. Check those out, all their socials, get involved in their Discord, all that kind of stuff. So check it out and let's do this. So this may or may not be a crypto that you're aware of, and it is Ethereum name services, ENS. Okay. And so if this is one that's not on your radar, again, apologize for sound. There's literally a restaurant right here that they're setting up for. So I'll show you the actual chart right here and right here. So you can see that even as of the recording this video right here, right now, it's actually out of the top 100. It is the leader of as far as the number one 24-hour gainer, and it's right at $19.85, up 13.88% in the last 24 hours. And you can look and see from a chart standpoint, if you look at the last 7 days, it just has taken off. Look at this chart. I mean, it was running at about $16 and stuff, and just boom, has just taken off. And so very, very soon, looks like it's going to cross over the $20 mark. This is one that the guys is not going to go away. ENS, the Ethereum name service, is not going to go away. It's going to get bigger, right? We all know that. And so, so from kind of the right here, this article talks about the fact that it's reached its important fib resistance at 20. If successful moving above it, the next resistance would be 24 right there. Okay, so again, keep an eye on it. This is one that's interesting because you know, I kind of think of this. It's same but not. I kind of think of this as GoDaddy. You know, like back in the day when GoDaddy, and I was, because I'm, you know, old gray hair. I remember GoDaddy.com when they came on board, and they were like the, you know, obviously the name service. They took it over from everybody else. Obviously, it's not the same, but that's kind of how my brain works and sees it. You got people walking behind me. You see the beaches right there. So there's a path right here people are walking on. Hey, this is live. We're not going to edit that out. We're going to keep on going. ENS is not going to go away is my point, right? It's going to be here to stay. It's a thing. And this is one that, you know, definitely not investing advice. You might want to think about adding in. So I'm going to call it there. I got like 8 guys over here now setting up. There's a little pizza place right here, literally next to me. There wasn't anybody there, and they all just got here right now as I started recording. You know, that's how it is. That's what I got for you. I'll see you. Have a good one. If you're interested in Clear, links in the description below. Check it out. Get involved in their Discord, especially, but their Instagram, their socials. Lots of good stuff coming. So this is going to be big. All right, I'll see you. Bye.